Hello traders, Happy New Year everyone. I would like to remind you the importance of the current global events, and I would like to remind you the danger of the bearish markets. This is critical key Alpha Fibonacci reversal retail zone. This is not institutional level. This is loaded with retail chop and retail junk. We identified all of these days and events. So if I convert this chart to 5, what do you see? My goodness, this is a moment that defines your trading forever. We discussed with my traders your only option to monitor for powerful long. Powerful long plays out. It's a good news for everyone. This is what played out at this identical level with Alpha Fibonacci software for Ninja Trader 8. Flawless, spectacular longs. I'm projecting software on 5-minute chart. I can project software on any chart I choose. But this is the example that shows you precision and the importance of playing by the rules. This is market close. Price collapses completely after reaching this level. So when you're trading such dangerous market, precision is a critical key part. But it's exact same thing on gold, on oil, on silver, on bonds, on Nvidia, on euro, on pound. In the trading room, you see this instantly. In the trading room, this playing out right now. I'm converting this chart to 1. This is extremely good news for retail trader. Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone identified days in advance. Finding spectacular buyers is the best thing that can happen this morning. But what else is important to remember? Trading bearish markets require ultimate skill to trade. We're seeing institutional sell-off. We're seeing institutional crush. Are you ready for more? Are you prepared? Do you know what this means? Do you remember that this chart present in the trading room for months? Do you know how critical and important this week and this month is? It will define markets for weeks, months, even years to come. If I bring you back to a month before. In case you missed the events before I left for holidays, December 1st, we're discussing with students that after this level, after this brick wall, this level to follow. But if I take you even further, before bullish rally skyrocketed, this is the reason Goldman making me an offer in 2022, because Alpha Fibonacci system I built and developed in 2008 allows you to capture the bottom and the top of the market. Here we go. This is November 2023. Here we go before bullish rally skyrockets. October. Shock or not, market oversold. Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone is weak. Buyers are worthless. But intelligent trader knows many months in advance. This is key institutional buy point. And then you know many months in advance where price heading to. So day trading is not for you. You use system for options as Richard does, who retired trading Alpha Fibonacci system. But if you love to day trade, you're capturing the bottom, you're riding institutional power. Here we are 2 months later in an entirely different place. Markets are nasty. Markets are dangerous. So if you understand how critical key this event is this morning, you understand that buying this level is entirely different ball game than buying the bottom at 4200 level. So here we are on January 4th. My goodness. Historical events playing out. Iran and Russia don't have many options left against US and Israel. Ouch. Extreme events. But US keeps buying the market. And it all starts from retail buy point, playing out in front of you right now. If this obeyed, bullish rally will continue with vengeance. Did you know that? This is what intelligent trader demands. This is crucial key event. And when rules are met, intelligent trader will take the trade. That pure and that simple. Only difference with this morning versus October. This is institutional buy point. This is retail buy point. Retail, that's simple and pure. The rules are met, take a trade. Can you do that? This is what we discussed with my traders pre-market. This is the ultimate way you trade this game. As strategic, intelligent, alpha, Fibonacci chess. Rules are met, take a trade. Spectacular bullish rally is a gift for intelligent trader this morning. That's it. Nothing less, nothing more. Can you do that? Can you obey the rules? If the answer is yes, it's a beautiful thing. So if I'm projecting software right now, as you can see with the scanner on multiple charts, we discussed all of this with my traders pre-market. There is major obstacle lies ahead. Major obstacle is a bold red zone. That's why bold pink line is critical this morning. Market loaded with fake outs. Market loaded with bullish weakness. And that's how you strategize every single day on every single trade. Counter trend bullish weakness, pain is expected. This is a pain you very clear see ahead. There is nothing else. It's a retail junky market. It's a retail bullish correction. It's a retail pain. We're in a very different place than where price was a month ago. That's it. Crawl and pain is expected. There is no other options. This is the only option. And that's software for Ninja Trader 8 with multi-market scanner and trade recognition software. Software allows you precise entry, stop, and target. Software shows you where targets are. Software also giving you massive number of warnings. You're at the red zone. Pain is a best case scenario. It is not a conservative trade. Conservative trade does not exist. Conservative trade plays out in the green zone. Conservative trade has no obstacles. Aggressive trade in the red zone with much lower success rate, no surprise. Absolutely none. All discussed with students pre-market. Your target is blocked. Do you remember that part? How nasty this is? So when you understand painful, brutal, and nasty markets, everything changes in your trading. All of this shown you with simplicity and purity and precision of the system and the software. Do you understand the danger of buying red zone? Do you understand this is retail market only? Do you understand there is best case scenario is pain? This will define markets one step at a time. Next, brutal and nasty. Only experienced trader can touch this market. Only experienced trader understand how nasty this is. Only experienced trader can afford trading aggressively with minimal lot size. That's it. There is nothing else. Only pain this morning is present in junky retail chop. So when you separate junky retail chop from spectacular institutional power, everything changes instantly in your trading. You don't like pain, you are not here this morning. Conservative trades do not exist. That's it. Retail chop, retail junk continues. Nothing else. Only pain, only aggressive and dangerous markets. Response at decision point 1 is critical, and you know this far in advance. So every single time you choose to trade counter trend, this is critical, key, crucial target. So while we're monitoring S&P and S&P remains in pain in junky retail chop, second morning in a row, let me remind you, identical levels playing out in front of you right now on multiple instruments. There is absolutely no software on this chart. This is Amazon right now. Amazon in catastrophic pain. Have you learned your lesson of 2022? Have you thought that Amazon is a safe haven? The only company to lose $1 trillion reminds you again and again and again. There is only so much you can ride to the upside. 160 is a war zone for Amazon. Absolutely no software on this chart. This is the reason Goldman made me an offer. Prediction like this, weeks and months in advance. But when you're looking on euro, it's exact same thing. Chart present in front of you for years. Euro skyrocketed from Alpha Fibonacci buy point. Incredibly happy students in Europe I'm meeting with who left Middle East and moved to France, buying home at the bottom. Euro lifeline 104. This level is out. Euro will collapse to 111. Bars on euro are weak. It's all exactly the same. So whatever instrument you trade, weakness defined by the bold pink line. On gold, it's a lifeline, 2000 level. This level is out, gold will go in free fall. In the trading room, you can ask questions. Students trading all of these instruments on multiple instruments, multiple time frames, multiple platforms. But when you're witnessing software in the live markets, you know clearly, only when you master weakness, only when you know where critical key bold pink line is, you can become successful. How you trade junky weak markets is everything. Junky weak markets playing out at least 40% of the time. In the current markets are weak 80+% of the time. If next we see institutional sell-off, have you learned your lesson that bearish markets require drastically more skill to trade? Bullish markets easy to trade, bearish markets drastically more knowledge of pure price. Because institutions love buying on the way down. Powerful bearish moves last a day or two, and then days or weeks of bullish junk it's playing out in front of you. For 2 days in a row, only pain is present, nothing else. That's it. So just to remind you, despite spectacular bullish news this morning, market is struggling in bullish weakness. And tomorrow morning, when we have extremely important event, intelligent trader would know what to do. Bullish weakness remain, absolutely no power. Alpha Fibonacci system told you so clearly well before market open, and we discussed all of this with my students to the tick. So if you're done gambling and you're ready to trade as intelligent trader, I look forward to working with you. You will learn how to trade bearish markets, bullish markets. You will learn how to capture bottom and top of the institutional rallies. You will stop stressing out. You will know when conservative versus aggressive trades are present. You can trade with software for Ninja Trader 8 if you like to day trade futures, or you can trade predictive proprietary institutional Alpha Fibonacci lifetime system on MT4, MT5, TradingView, Interactive Brokers, Sierra Charts, TradeStation, platforms I never heard of. Institutional traders trade on, retail traders in more than 50 countries all over the world. So when you witness what Theo has done on futures and Forex, when you listen how Manuel brought his wife to the course, how Carlton retired and how he keeps bringing his friends to the course, how Ken is paying cash for his house, how Richard retired, how David trading it all, and when you will see students' performance, students' reviews, you're seeing clearly. If these traders can do it, so can you. Richard retired trading Alpha Fibonacci system on options. CEO trading it all. 92% success rate, $17 on every dollar. Brad is a legend, showing you the power of effort, the power of Alpha Fibonacci system, and the power of obeying the rules. This is less than 10% of the emails posted on the website. For the previous 11 years, I never posted the emails. Boxes and boxes and boxes. I live and breathe what I do. You down gambling? I look forward working with you. So please scroll further out and see clearly. Private mentoring, the most desirable options, currently offering savings $8,000. Group course, the most popular options, savings $5,000. Most of the students do not come to live classes. Most of the students view video library 24/7 of prior live recorded classes. If you are not on Ninja Trader 8, option 1 and 3 appropriate for you. Any questions for me, please do not hesitate to contact me 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. How you separate weakness counter trend markets versus spectacular institutional rallies is everything. And that's the focus of this year. Because when we will see next catastrophic bearish crash, you need to be much more prepared. That will require drastically more skill to trade. Live institutional class next. You joining us now, your trading will change forever.